Hello friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start our page number 14 speaking activity. Open up your books, page number 14, Speaking, Part C. As you can see, there are two pictures. You have to talk about the differences in these pictures with your partner. Now you must be worried who you can choose as your partner. You can choose your parents, your siblings, or you can call your friend to be your partner. I'm playing an audio for you. Listen to this audio very carefully.
Page 14. Speaking. C. Look at the two pictures. Talk about the differences with your partner.
In the first picture, I see the Milky Way.
In the second picture, I see a comet.
The first picture has a quarter moon.
The second picture doesn't have a quarter moon, but it has a full moon.
You see how you are going to make up a difference between these two pictures? I have written some differences for you as well. In the first picture, you cannot see a comet, right? But there is a Milky Way. The first picture does not have a bat, if you notice. The second picture have a comet. The second picture also have a bat in it. In this way, you are going to write down the differences or talk about these differences with your partner. That's all for today.